started as a bump, now a bundle of joy. Tiny feet and little hands, they grow up so fast, so enjoy all the time you can. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to take a little break from full DIYs and bring you something extra cute and special. This idea came to my mind and I just knew I had to bring it to life and show you all. So this is for a baby shower centerpiece, but it can also be made to sell. You can also gift these, and I think they look wonderful in a nursery as well. So I am starting off with this teddy bear that comes with a rose. I'm just taking everything apart so that I can have the wire on its own separately and the bear on its own. Then I'm taking the wire and sticking it to the back of the bear using my hot glue. Now you want to make her stick at an angle. You'll see why later. Basically, we want her to look like she's flying. Next, I am taking my pliers and I'm cutting the wire to the size or the length that I think is good. And then I am curling the little bottom part of the wire with my pliers just so that it's easier to stick down, because trust me, it's really difficult sticking straight things down like a straight wire. And then I'm also going to strengthen that with a few stones around it just so that it's nice and stable. Now for the really interesting part. I was thinking for so long, how can I make some artificial balloons? And then I thought of this. So I went in and checked my stash and I did have some eggs left over from last Easter. These actually belonged to a egg LED kind of light. So I'm just removing the parts that connected it to the light so that I just have the eggs to work with. Okay, the next part can be a little tricky, but it definitely helps if you have somebody else that can help you out, like if they can hold the egg for you while you hold the balloon and place it over the egg. And what you want to do is make sure that you turn your egg upside down, because we want it to look like a balloon, not an egg. So you're just going to place your eggs inside the balloon, and once you're done, you're going to tie it up just as you do with a normal regular balloon. And then I'm making 3. It's completely down to you how many you'd like to make. And of course, if you are doing this for a boy's gift or shower centerpiece, then you're going to use some blue, green colors, whatever you like. So now I have completed 3 balloons. I'm going to stick them to the wire using hot glue, and then we're going to reinforce that by applying some sellotape at the back so it kind of holds the egg onto the wire. I had 2 pink eggs and 1 purple, so when I finished sticking down my purple egg, I took this pink ribbon that you generally find in party stores for balloons. I cut its size and then I hot glued it onto the wire because of course the wire looks ugly. We want to make sure it's nice and pretty and goes with everything. I found that the ribbon was a little too thick, so all I did was give it a little snip and then I just tore the rest off so it was nice and even. And you want to make sure that you cover the whole wire because, like I said before, it just doesn't look good. Once I was finished doing that, I took the other 2 balloons and I stuck them side to side, again using the same method of hot glue and then reinforcing it at the back with some sellotape. Then you're going to take your hot glue and apply a generous amount onto the bear's hand. Then make sure you're happy with the placement of your balloons and wire and just stick that down. Mine didn't topple over or anything, it was fine, but if you want to, you can add a few more stones on the base. That's what I did. I took just 2 small ones you can see here. It doesn't have to be anything big, and don't worry, that's going to be covered later on. Then for my finishing touches, I took some little small bows and I just tried different ones, and then I was happy with the hot pink one, so I settled with that. It matches everything, and I hot glued that on. And then to cover the base, the stones, the wire, everything that you don't want to see, I used this pink feather boa. And if you're doing this for a boy, you're going to do the exact same process. All you're going to do is just change the colours. And I also placed a little bow on the neck of the bear, so it's like a little bow tie. I thought that was cute for the boys version. And here's the finished DIY. Isn't it just the most sweetest, cutest, adorable thing you've ever seen? I mean, guys, I'm 31 and I would love to have this in my room. Who agrees with me? Well, that's it for today. I hope you leave feeling inspired and get crafting. If you have enjoyed watching, please do leave me a thumbs up, and I would absolutely love if you can subscribe and share this video with others. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!